Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl MOYANG, and today I wanted to show you guys that I got some stuff in the mail today. I wanted to do this unboxing video of this package that I got from DUVOLLE, and this company reached out to me and they wanted to send me some goodies, so we're gonna open it today. I got it like this. I don't know if it was the UPS or whatever, just manhandling my package. I hope nobody opened it, honestly, so we'll see. It was like a little too easy to open. Like, look, whatever. I'm so full. I just came back. I literally look like this because I just got back from work, and then I went out to dinner with a friend, and I did some baking right now, so finally settling down. Alrighty, so DUVOLLE sent me the Radiance Care Spin Brush. So excited! I'm so excited because I've always wanted like one of these things, but I just never got myself to like buy one, so pretty excited. So this comes with 4 interchangeable accessories: a facial exfoliating brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. Ooh. Let's see here. And then they gave me some batteries for it. Love that, because I don't have any batteries. So we're gonna open it. I'm so excited. This is like my second time a company has reached out to me, and it just gets me so excited because I don't know what's coming next. You know, and I know I'm so grateful for these opportunities and, you know, my journey in YouTube. I know it's just, I gotta put more effort in and, you know, keep going so I can have more opportunities like this. So super excited. Alrighty. Alrighty, it's a pretty big size. This looks funny, but we are gonna keep it PG. Alrighty, so you just, this is pretty big. What the? Wow. This is very big. How do I remove it? Please read and close instructions carefully before using. Oh, this is the body brush. No wonder it's big. You're not supposed to use it for your face. You're supposed to use it for your body. Okay. Exfoliation brush. Okay, so this is the body brush. Okay, this is the can you see? Okay, so this is the exfoliating brush. This is the cleansing brush. Can you see? Yeah. And then this is the pumice stone. So I'm assuming the pumice stone is for your feet. That's cool. This is cool. I think I'm gonna try it out tonight and show you guys how it is, because I've been waiting to do this video. Eee! How do I freaking open this? Use one hand to firmly grip the unit and use your other hand to grip the battery cap at the open mark position. Pull off the cap. Refer to following picture. Dude. This is, ooh. Okay, cool. Oh, wait, I think it takes 4 because it's pretty hollow. All right, let's open my batteries. Okay. God, I'm such a mess. I need to use that one this way. Get another one. Alright, let's try it and turn it on. Oh! Ooh, that's fun. It doesn't tell me how to remove it. Oh, you just pop it off. Just kidding. Alright, cool. So you know what? Let's go and do my take off my makeup for the day because I am tired. Work was not all that great today. It's just pretty boring. I think I got heartburn from that sushi. Whatever. Yeah. But overall, it was a good day. I got to catch up with a friend. I have a day off tomorrow, so I'm pretty excited about that. Alright, let's go to the bathroom. So I'm in the bathroom now. Got the headband. I didn't even bring the stuff. Alrighty. So I'm trying not to be too loud because my roommates are sleeping. Okay. So got my hair out of my face. And I got some micellar water. I'm gonna attach this. Now wet my face just a little and add some micellar water. So they said it's waterproof, so it should be fine. This is so cool. I've never. Oh, wow, look at me being all fancy. It feels good. I'm gonna go home. Yuck. Okay, I definitely need to clean this brush. Look how gross it is. But definitely does need to clean it off. I'm gonna have to figure out how to clean it off. Okay. You just wash it with water, I guess. And then I'm just taking a cotton pad because I did not want to put that thing in my eye. Okay, let's see. Okay, got that off. And now we're gonna switch over to the exfoliating one because I haven't really exfoliated my face in a long while. The essence cleanser that I use is like a daily exfoliant. So we're gonna use my favorite face wash. I'm gonna rinse it a little. I think I should add this soap the cleanser on my face first. Get an appropriate amount on my face. And then exfoliate. I'm gonna try to really focus on the nose because I get a lot of whiteheads, and I don't do the pore strips too much because I saw that they were like bad for you. So we're gonna see if that helps. Dude, my roommates probably think I'm having some fun alone time. I think that's enough. So I just actually used a little bit of soap just to clean them off, and it came right off. So I think I'm just gonna leave them on my counter to air dry, and now I'm just gonna rinse the rest of my face. So I'm all cleaned up. I might as well just do the rest of my nighttime routine. So got some rose water, and then I have some niacinamide by The Ordinary. It looks like this. Dude, this has been like so good to me. So I've been mixing retinol and salicylic acid, and apparently that's not good. I guess that's what's been drying out my skin a lot lately, and I didn't know until I looked it up like what like ingredients like work well together and what are supposed to be paired. So I saw that niacinamide works well with salicylic acid, so I was just like, I've been doing everything wrong. So I got this, The Ordinary, $6, and after I put some rose water, I put it all over my skin, and honestly my skin has been so smooth, and lately I've been getting a lot of compliments on my skin. This weather change has been like really bad for me. In Southern California it's not even fall, like it's fall, but we don't get like a fall. It's not cold yet, so it's pretty warm out, and plus there's a fire out in San Bernardino, so we're also dealing with that. So there's a lot of smoke and debris in the air. And then I'm constantly spraying rose water, and then I have some rose hip oil, also by The Ordinary, and I take a drop of that, and I really massage it into my skin. See? I've been getting a lot of compliments about my skin being glowy lately, so this skincare routine has been really working out for me. I think I need to, though, like now that I'm getting older, I definitely need to invest in some eye cream because I can kind of start seeing some eye bags. So we're gonna have to figure that out soon. I gotta figure out which one would be best for me. So I gotta do some research about that. But either way, that was like basically my whole routine. I just wash my face, put some rose water, put some niacinamide, and then some rose hip oil. And I don't put in extra moisturizer. Sometimes I do. Maybe I will tonight. Just because I did all of that extra exfoliation. So I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle that I have. I'm not a huge fan of banana, so it's okay, you know, but it is moisturizing. I just don't like the smell of it because it's very like banana-y, like fake banana, whatever. I really want to try the watermelon one. I think that went viral on TikTok, so I definitely do want to try that because it looks so good. I don't know what that TikTok creator is, or what's her name? That Asian girl, she's super like she's super fun, like super bubbly. Her skin is like literally perfect, and her lips are amazing, and people always think that her lips are done, and she's always like, this is just me. Like, what's it like being perfect? Whatever. Anyways, but she is the one I think that I saw wear it, so, and it looked great on her. So maybe I'm trying to be like her. I don't know. We'll see. But yes, that was the whole unboxing of the DUVOLLE Radiance Spin Care System. They sent it to me, and they also sent me a code to use for any of my followers or any of you guys want to use it for money off. Usually I think this is like $70, but with my code you get money off, and I think it is down to $30, I think. So I think it's a pretty good deal if you guys want to try. Obviously I don't think this is like a necessary like thing in your skincare routine, but if you do want to like add some spice to your skincare routine and have some like fun and maybe just treat yourself to something, I think this would be like a cool thing to do, because I have been wanting to like get this for myself. I just didn't really prioritize it and stuff because I felt like I needed other things more than this, or I needed to pay some bills, or just, you know, just stuff I'm trying to prioritize for. So definitely recommend if you guys want to use it. Again, don't forget my code. And I hope you guys really like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!